Welcome back. Here's the thing about coding agents. The model behind the prompt matters as much as the prompt itself. Some tasks need deep reasoning, others just need speed. In Lesson 2 of the Claude Code course, we're looking at the /model command, the switch that lets us pick the right brain for every task without ever leaving the session. Let's open the terminal and see it work. Here we are in a live session. Watch what happens when we type the command with no arguments at all. First, we type /model on its own, no arguments. When we run it bare like this, Claude Code doesn't guess what we want. Instead, it opens an interactive picker so we can browse every model available to the session and choose deliberately. Now the picker appears. We can see the family names: Sonnet, Opus, Haiku, plus Opus Plan and Default. Notice we're highlighting Opus here, the deep reasoning option. Arrow keys move the selection, and one press of Enter locks in our choice for the whole session. And there's the confirmation. Set model to Opus 4.8 and saved as your default for new sessions. That second half matters. This isn't just a temporary switch for right now. Claude Code remembers our preference, so every fresh session starts on the model we picked. Watch this next one because it's clever. We type /model Opus Plan directly, skipping the picker entirely. Opus Plan is a hybrid mode. Claude plans your work with Opus, the strongest reasoner, then executes with Sonnet, which is faster. Big thinking up front, quick hands afterwards. There it is, confirmed and saved again. Notice the output follows the exact same shape as before, so we always know a switch landed. Passing the name directly like this is the fast path we'll use daily once we know which model fits the job. One last tip before we wrap. On Opus 4.8, 4.7, and 4.6, the /fast command toggles fast mode. Here's the thing. It is the very same Opus model, just streaming output faster. We're not trading brains for speed, we're simply getting answers sooner. Here's what to keep. So that's /model in a nutshell. Run it bare for the interactive picker, or pass a name like Sonnet or Opus to switch the session instantly. Remember that switches stick. Claude Code saves your pick as the default for new sessions, so tomorrow's terminal opens on exactly the model you chose today. Keep Opus Plan in your back pocket. It plans with Opus and executes with Sonnet, while /fast gives the same Opus model with quicker output. Head over to Standarity.com for the full Claude Code course, and join us in Lesson 3, where the /context command shows exactly what fills your window.